Hey guys, what's up? So I told you guys I'm gonna start vlogging again. So here I am. I'm up here in California, Laguna Beach. I'm sure you guys heard of it. It's right next to, I don't know if it's part of LA or it's right next to LA, but yeah, I'm not really local here, more of a tourist. I haven't been to California since I graduated high school, so this is new for me. It's been a while. So I just drove here from Vegas. It was about it was like a 4-hour drive from Vegas. Wasn't that bad. Look at the seagull over here. Can't even see anything. There we go. Look at that guy right there. Oh no. Okay. Yep, so I'm here. I thought I'd do a little vlogging. Just to show you guys how it's like during a pandemic. I hope it's the end of it, but yeah, it's nice here. It's pretty empty. I mean, it might be because it's like a weekday, and also it's kind of a little cold, a little on the cold side. It's like 70 degrees, which is not bad, honestly. I'm gonna try to climb up here holding this camera. Oh, the sand. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to piss off any seagulls. I don't know if these guys actually attack or anything. But yeah. Here we go. There we go. Let me show you this. Sorry about the shakiness. It's a little rough terrain. I'm gonna try to fly a drone here today. I was gonna make a video mainly about the DJI Mini 2 because I realized I haven't really made a proper review of the drone, and I wanted to make a video of it. So far, I've done a lot of flights with it. I took it to Dubai. I've been flying it around Vegas. I wanted to try it here. The problem with that small little drone is the footage. It looks nice, but it's not really like great. It's not really like high quality. It's not really like professional. How I guess, like the Mavic Air or the Mavic 2. So I kind of wanted to record that. Also the wind resistance. It's a little windy here. I don't know if you guys can hear that through the. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but let me actually check how bad it is. So yeah, I can't really hear that on the camera, but it's pretty windy here. Not like really windy. You can tell by looking at the trees, they're not really shaking. But yeah, what I'm gonna do, sorry about the shakiness. What I'm gonna do is actually just take it up. I'm pretty sure this is a flight area. I don't really know, but I'm sure it is, because most of California, I've seen a lot of YouTubers just fly around their drones. So Not sure if they have like a special license or anything, but yeah, I'm gonna make it go up and see how it looks.